In your Chrome browser, just press Alt Shift and I to send feedback to Google. Just describe your issue, select your email ID, or you can also select do not include email address. Attach any file, any screenshot if you want, and click on send. Try this. In your Chrome browser, just press Ctrl plus F to open the find bar. Type any word that you want to search in the web page. I am writing word game. Now press Ctrl plus G to cycle through search matches in the find bar, like this. And press Ctrl Shift and G for reverse cycle through search matches, like this. On your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl Shift and N to create a new folder. On your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl plus W to close the current active window. On your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl Window and D to open a new virtual desktop. When you click here, you can see there are two desktops. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl plus D to delete the selected item to the recycle bin. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Window plus Z to open the snap layout menu. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Windows plus Tab to open the task view. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Windows plus M to minimize all windows. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Windows plus spacebar to change the keyboard layout and input language. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl, Window and Q to open the Quick Assist. It's just like the TeamViewer or AnyDesk. You just enter the code from the assistant and click on Share Screen. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Windows plus N to open the Windows notification panel. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Windows plus V to open the clipboard. Now you can directly paste anything that you had previously copied by using this clipboard. Just click to paste. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Windows plus A to open the Windows Action Center. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press F11 to switch to the full screen mode. Try. On your computer keyboard, use Ctrl, Shift and numeric keys to change the folder view. Press Ctrl, Shift and numeric 1 for this, numeric 2, numeric 3, numeric 4, numeric 5. You can use this up to numeric 8. Try. On your computer keyboard, just press Ctrl plus E to start search with your default search engine in your browser. Try.